साहित्य सभा के इसमें वार्षिक कॉन्फ्रेंस के शुभ अवसर पर भारतीय जनता सरकार नागपुर के द्वारा हार्दिक बधाई व्यवहारिक शिक्षालय इसी तरह बोडो साहित्य सभा हर वर्ष इस तरह का आयोजन करता है और भारतीय बोडो साहित्य बोडो भाषा एवं बोडो कला संस्कृति के विकास में यही अग्रसर प्रयास करता है। ये हमारी और भारतीय जनता सरकार की ओर से शुभकामनाएं हैं और इस कार्यक्रम में मुझे आमंत्रित करने के लिए मैं इनको हार्दिक धन्यवाद देता हूँ। मैं आज Salim Mohan, I'm Director of Institute of Indian Languages, and as you know that Institute of Indian Languages, Bharatiya Bhasha Sansthan, Mysore, is a subordinate office of the Ministry of Education, which was established in 1969, and we have completed 53 years of service to preserve, protect, and promote the language of the country. It works on different aspects of language development, such as building corpus in Indian languages, as well as we have a corpus of Bodo language also available in LDCI, Linguistic Data Consortium of Indian Languages, in which we are having speech as well as text corpus of all 18 Indian scheduled languages, and Bodo is one of them. We also prepare these languages, Indian languages, ready for the technological development. We also have a scheme called National Translation Mission, in which we translate the knowledge text, those books which are available only in English. Institute of Indian Languages translate those books to other Indian languages, and we have also translated books on Bodo as well. Apart from these, we also publish books on Indian languages, and yesterday a book on Bodo language, Bodo grammar, was released at this institute, which was published by Institute of Indian Languages. So, when we have the Indian Language Center at Patiala, We have two Urdu teaching and research institutes, Solar and Nagpur. We have a South Indian Language Center at Mysore. We have Eastern Language Center at Bhubaneswar, and we have a station, North Regional Language Center in Guwahati. And I am very happy to share with you that we have today, in fact, we have seen the land and we will be constructing regional center here in Dimapur, where 30 years and thankful to the board of directors of your company who has given us land which is without any rent, without any conditions, and I hope within 1 or 2 years we will be in a position to develop this center, not just the language center, it will be address the needs of all non-Muslim languages.